1994 Lincoln Town Car, last stop. This car is in really nice condition, and it's a shame that it came to an end like this. The car is like new, very well taken care of, paint like it came off the showroom floor yesterday. That is often, as is often the case in junkyards, vandals will destroy things like this corner light. Very nice. The wheels are also in pristine condition. The bulletproof 4.6 did the service for this car. No leaks, nothing. It's like new. The air intake assembly, these are usually cracked. And this one, I bet it was not cracked, but somebody didn't know how to take it off and yanked it out and destroyed it. Not uncommon. The paint on this car is just incredible, like brand new. And the interior, look at this. No wear whatsoever, anywhere. This must be a very low mile car and garage kept throughout its life. The dashpad, not warped, not faded, just fantastic. So is the headliner. No sagging, nothing, no rips. The glass, you have to see it to believe it. It's like brand new. The rear seats, same thing. Door panels, all in mint condition. Package shelf, mint. And it smells so good inside. Really nice. Beautiful wheels. This is what ended this car's life. A quarter panel hit. Appears to be from the rear, there, at the corner of the bumper. The taillight panel is destroyed by vandals once again. Such a shame. Another person may have benefited from this beautiful car and its donor parts. The large trunk. These cars were air suspension equipped from the factory. There's the switch. Unfortunately, once again for this car, 94 Lincoln Town Car, final stop.